Morning, everybody. Here's a kind of a different installment for the NL Grease Monkey Garage. Just thought it would be interesting. Just picture my backyard. There's the NL Grease Monkey Garage out there, sitting in the cold. With the wind chill today, it's about minus 30 degrees Celsius. Right here, I just boiled a kettle. And here's a mug of boiling hot water. Let's go out onto my back patio. You can see here, still steaming. Brrrr. That went to a frozen vapor before it hit the ground. I think I'll stay in and enjoy this hot cup of coffee.